Hi folks, this is Dan Zorn. I'm the superintendent of the Longview Public Schools here for Superintendent Storytime this Thursday afternoon. Today's book is called Fluffy McWiskers. It's written by Stephen Martin and illustrated by Dan Tavis. This is a cuteness explosion. Fluffy McWiskers was cute. Dangerously cute. Kaboom! Yes, Fluffy McWiskers was so cute that if you saw her, you'd explode. Elephants, snakes, platypuses, even a cute little koala. If you saw Fluffy McWiskers, kaboom! This, of course, made Fluffy very sad and extremely lonely. She tried to fix her problem, an ugly sweater, a bad haircut, but nothing worked. They only made her cuter. She even tried wearing a paper bag over her head, but that was ridiculously cute. Just when she thought it couldn't get any worse, they published her picture in the newspaper. That's when things got out of hand. Kaboom! Kaboom! Fluffy McWiskers had no choice. She needed to go somewhere far, far away where no one would find her. Eventually, she found exactly what she was looking for. Nope, spoke too soon. You've got to be kidding me. Fluffy tried again. This island was perfect. True, volleyball was not so much fun, and getting her tummy scratched required a lot of work. And pizza, well, it took forever to be delivered. But Fluffy could eat, sleep, read, and even watch the stars from her super cute telescope day after day, night after night, all alone. Again, she tried to fix the problem, but burp, she got hungry. There Fluffy sat day after day, night after night, getting cuter and cuter, and fluffier. Sometimes she tossed a letter out to sea to pass the time. Until one day, Fluffy heard a very unusual sound. Ruff. Fluffy freaked. Someone was on the island. Someone had found her. Someone was about to explode. Fluffy tried to run, but there was nowhere to go, nowhere to hide. So she closed her eyes and waited. Burk. Ruff. Huh? Nothing. I don't understand, said Fluffy. Why didn't you explode, dog? Well, I was going to ask you the same thing, Cat, replied the extremely cute dog. Volleyball suddenly became pretty awesome. Getting her tummy scratched required a lot less work. Fluffy had finally found a friend. Aw, how cute is that? Kaboom! There you have it. This is Fluffy McWiskers by Stephen W. Martin, Cuteness Explosion. This is Dan Zorn, Superintendent of the Longview Public Schools, where literacy is the most important thing we do.